Hi, my name is Deanna. This is my second time at Arkana. I originally came to work through some childhood and ancestral trauma that was really clouding my life. And I made incredible progress with that when I was here and really was able to implement that. The knowledge and the wisdom that I learned here in my life when I got home. Months went by and I started to see that my heart was opening and I was really wanting to just create space for it to grow as big as possible. So my purpose for coming this time was to really open myself to my light and to love. And that definitely happened. Yeah, I had some really powerful moments with ayahuasca and some very powerful moments with sapo, some very powerful moments with wachuma. So I am going home with a real sense of calmness and ownership of my light and my love, and it feels very deeply rooted now. It doesn't feel like I'm going to go home and it's going to float away. I feel very grounded with it. Yeah. So if you are thinking about coming to try ayahuasca, I would say if you feel ready, if you're feeling called, yeah, it's really worth exploring, exploring your inner psyche, your inner demons, your inner love, your inner light. It's incredible. And come here. Please come here. To tell you how much I love it here. My son is coming for 4 months, so that's how much I believe in the work that's being done here. Yeah, I think that's the strongest testimonial I can give.